Hey guys, today we're going to be drawing the upgraded scientist from Skibidi Toilet. If you guys are into drawing, I have some books on Amazon. I'll put those in the description. Otherwise, grab a pencil and paper and let's get started on him. I'm going to go first up to the top of my paper and do 2 circles for his eyes. And since he has these glasses, I'm going to connect them in the middle. So we'll do those 2 just like that. Okay, and then off to the left of the left lens of the glasses, just do a little line for the connector. Okay, now on the right eyeglass, go on the inside and do kind of this half circle. This eye is red in the center and black on the outside, so I'm going to just fill that in for now. And then he kind of keeps his other eye closed, so I'll go and I'll just do this kind of closed frowny face thing. All right, above each one, let's do some eyebrows. I'm gonna just make mine black and do that on both sides. You can fill them in whatever color you want. You could go gray. And then last of all, for his forehead, let's just do a few little lines that are kind of his like wrinkles that he's got. All right, let's go ahead and do his head. So right where the little line that we did for the connector to his ear, the glasses, I don't know what that's called, the little rod part. We'll just draw the ear right under that. And then draw this head-shaped mound that goes all the way up and over the top of his head. And then down below the ear, we're gonna come down, curve in and over and up for his jaw. Okay, his nose, I'm gonna just do a little smiley face shape. And then his mouth is always like way open, so we'll draw it like that. It looks right now like just kind of a weird smiley face, but then come down and then follow the outline of the head. We're gonna give him just a little bit of room between his mouth and his head. And I'll draw these 2 teeth shapes with a black background for his mouth, just like that. All right, awesome. Now, let's do a couple lines down for his neck. And we've got his head. I'm gonna do this toilet bowl shape for for each side of his neck. Fill that in dark. And then we can keep going with the rest of the toilet bowl, which is just going to be the exact same line a little further out. And then the front, bring it down and in. And we are cooking. Okay, let's do his front speaker. He's upgraded, so do just a straight line to connect those down. And we're going to basically make a square. Easiest part of the drawing. And then below that you can do another square. I'm gonna do kind of a rectangle shape that comes down, isn't the same exact size. And then the same off to each edge. He's got speakers that come off the edge of the front, so we'll do those 2. Just like that, that's looking good. All right, now the only part of the speakers that I'm going to make 3D are these edge ones, and we'll do that by just drawing a line that kind of curves back or goes diagonal back and then in. Give us a little bit of depth. Okay, now inside those left and right speakers, let's do a circle. Oops, there we go. With just a line above it and a smaller circle on the inside. We'll do that on each one. We're gonna have those outside speakers done. Okay, awesome. Now on the inside, he has a ton of speakers. So what I'm gonna do is kind of put them in different spots. We'll put a couple big ones here and here. And then we can do a bunch of small ones. I'm not gonna tell you how to do it because I bet you can do them however you want and they're gonna look awesome. do some bigger ones, some slightly smaller ones, but he's got this huge speaker cabinet with lots of speakers in it. They're gonna look good. So while we draw these, I'll do a little bit of shameless self-promotion. So I've got a bunch of different drawing books. That's kind of what I do. Some are on how to draw people. I have some anime ones, some manga ones, some animals, some perspectives for drawing buildings, things like that. And this year, I think I'm going to be doing one on how to draw detailed dragons and then also tattoos. I get requested a lot for tattoo drawings, things like that. So I thought, why not? All right, something like that. That looks pretty good. Now off to the left and right, he has these black, I don't know what they are, to be honest. They in the show, they are just kind of there connected. So they look kind of like wedges. So I'll draw those, and then behind them, we'll do these sticks that kind of pop up too. Again, I don't know what they're called. I wish I did, so that I could properly tell you what they are. But just draw these sticks that kind of come up right out of the cabinet, and draw those. I draw those little wedges first, just because I want these sticks to go behind them. Maybe tell me in the comments what they are, because I don't know what they're called. All right, we're close. Let's do his legs, his spider legs. So I'm gonna go straight out each side. I usually try not to all have them identical. And then we're gonna do this kind of weird puzzle piece shape. So he's got like these gears, but since this is kind of a cartoon drawing, I'm not gonna get into like real detailed on the gears. All right, each side now, we'll do this kind of connecting rod, and then his spider legs come to a point like that. This side, same thing, we're gonna just go like that, down. That one got away from me a little bit, but that's all right. I'll just erase that and connect it like that. That'll be fine. Okay, and he does have 4 total, so we'll have another rod that comes on this side. The other one, it's kind of like a very sharp tooth with a connector in the middle, like that. Same thing on the other side, so maybe I'll bring that rod out over here. Like that, and like that. So besides this, we just gotta color him. So let's do that now. All right, there he is, the Skibidi toilet upgraded scientist. I hope you guys had fun drawing this guy. What a crazy looking character. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Keep an eye out for some videos coming up. I am gonna be doing a giveaway soon. It's gonna be awesome. So look out for that, and I will see you guys next time.